Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we show you tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at on how to use WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. So first and foremost, you want to go to the WhatsApp website. From here, you want to press on download. Once you press on download, you want to download for Windows. And if you're on an Apple device, you just want to go ahead and download it from the Apple Store on your laptop, on your MacBook. And if you're on an iMac, same, just go to the App Store and download it from there. Now, I'm just gonna set up my WhatsApp real quick. As you see it downloaded, I'm just gonna click on it and wait for the setup to pop up, I guess. And there it is. Now, over here, as you see on the screen, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap Menu or Settings, and select Link Devices. Point your phone to the screen to capture the code. Now, you need to make sure your mobile device has a camera. And once you've made sure you have the camera, you want to go to the Settings on your WhatsApp, on your mobile device, which I'm going to do on my mobile right now. After you go to Settings, you just want to go to you just press on that QR code that's right beside your name. So you're gonna see your name, and beside that you're gonna see a QR code. So you're gonna press on that QR code, and over there you'll see something called My Code and Scan Code. So you want to go to Scan Code, and then you just want to scan. And once you scan it, your phone's gonna come up with device login code detected. If you want to log in to WhatsApp on another device, tap Continue. Now, I'm not gonna log in because I use WhatsApp for my personal stuff, but it's as simple as that. You just gotta press Continue on your phone and you should be logged in. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I apologize for not being able to show you the entire process, but as you know, I gotta keep my personal information personal. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.